Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time you're seeing this video. So guys, let's cook porridge yam together. So guys, what I have in my pot is my vegetable oil, my onions, salt, and my tomato paste, okay? My fresh tomato paste, okay? So now I have to give it a quick stir and allow it to steam up. So after frying my tomatoes, now is the time for me to add my spices, okay? I made use of some herbs like cinnamon, coriander, and oregano. Now is the time for me to add the main ingredients in this recipe, which is the yam. Now I have to top up some water and give that a quick stir to make sure that everything mixes together. Okay, make sure you stir it very well. So after some minutes, this is how my pot is looking. Now I have to introduce my crayfish and also give that a quick stir. Please make sure to keep on stirring it, especially the bottom, so that your pot will not get burnt, okay? I also added some scent leaves for the flavor, okay? Just small scent leaves. Don't add too much, except if you wish to. So I decided to check on my pot to see how well it's doing, and at this point I decided to lower my heat to allow it to steam up very well, okay? So lovely, our yam is ready to be served, okay? See how creamy this yam is looking, and the taste, oh my god, is out of this world. It's out of this world. So guys, thank you so much for watching.